Okay, considering the submissions that you have made before this court and the workload that I have, I'm still to handle other people, I'm still to do this other please. I remand the suspect at Gigiri Police Station until tomorrow at 11 a.m. for that ruling, so that I can finish with all the work I have. Doing the ruling now would mean I step out, do the ruling, come back. In the meantime, what happens to the others? We have the challenge with the system, our own system. So the longer you take with the pleas, the worse it is for those ones who want to deposit cash bills and fines. So as we take long, there are some delays at times. I know you have heard about it. So we try to move as fast as it is possible. The more submissions you make in a matter, the longer it you take to do that. Thank you very much.